Check out this weather in London, it's incredible. So snap focus is just a way to preset your focus distance, but you're limited to 8 distances, starting from 0.3 meters all the way to infinity. So when you combine the speed of snap focus with the size of the Ricoh GR IIIx, I think it's a really killer combo. And as you'll see from the POV later in the video, very few people even recognize that I'm taking a photo of them. But it also avoids the hassle and the frustration of trying to use the autofocusing system of the Ricoh, especially when you're in a kind of fast-paced city like London. You estimate your 3 meter and your 5 meter much more accurately, so when people walk into that zone, you get a sense of holding the shutter for a good 1 to 2 seconds, getting 6 or 7 images, and when you're in Lightroom, at least 4 or 5 of them are sharp. And in terms of my standard settings, my snap focus distance is usually set at or around 2 meters, so that's sometimes 1.5, sometimes 2.5. That's the sweet spot, hence why there are various distances between 1.5 and 3. And the depth of field zone I set to 2 for obvious reasons. You know, you don't want too much background separation, but also you don't want the aperture to go to the extremes of f16. So to see how the snap distance affects depth of field, while I was in the cafe having a flat white on the weekend, I thought to just do a quick test shot of each distance, 0.3 all the way through to infinity, as well as doing the test for the 3 depth of field zones.
for you, yeah?